Welcome to Dr. JALIL Photography. For last couple of years, I have been doing macro photography with my camera and different macro lenses. But recently, I have some interest on macro photography using mobile. I have been inspired by Mr. Stuart Wood. He has started uploading several videos on mobile macro photography on his studio. Because of his inspiration, I also decided to take some macro photography using mobile cameras. I have one iPhone 13 and Samsung mobile phone. So I have started taking some macro photography with mobile with inbuilt digital zoom. But the quality of the pictures are not good using digital zoom of the mobile phone cameras. Because of my interest on mobile macro photography, I decided to buy one macro lens for mobile. I've got in fact two. At this moment, I have got two mobile macro lens. One is this one is apexel 100 millimeter. You can see lens, and another one is prosumer L810 fitted with this camera right at this moment. You can see inside. This is the lens, big size lens, and this one is small. Even with these macro lenses, the picture quality was not very good. I started to get some hot spots on my insects and also on the flowers because I was using the camera and the mobile lens only. So I decided to make one micro radiant diffuser for this mobile macro photography system. You can see on my hand, this is my mobile macro photography system with the iPhone 13 on the back, and this one is prosumer L810, and this is the radiant diffuser I have made for this mobile macro photography. I have seen plenty of macro photographers using mobile macro. The people don't have DSLR or mirrorless camera on their hand. They use the mobile camera for their macro photography. Let me explain why I have added this macro radiant diffuser for my mobile macro photography. Those who are experienced in macro photography with camera, they already knew the purpose of this radiant diffuser. This gives a soft light. Let me explain first my gear system. This one is the rig for holding the mobile and the lighting system on top of it, and you can see there is a light inside it. See, there is a light inside this mobile rig. Now it is illuminating the whole diffuser system. So this is the mobile rig, and in front this is the diffuser material, and on the top there is a black reflector to push the whole light down below and without wasting my battery of the lighting system. I will explain very soon about why I have used this mobile macro photography system. Let me switch off the light first. Let me explain the purpose of this macro radiant diffuser for mobile macro photography. First of all, when the subject is here, it may come across ambient light or direct sunlight. If there is a diffuser on top of it, there is a poor chance of having direct sunlight on my subject. So this diffuser system protects my subject from ambient direct sunlight and the light inside it. Let me show you the light. This is the light I am using for illuminating the subject as well as the diffuser. So this micro radiant diffuser protects my subject from external light and gives me a soft diffused light on my subject. So this is the whole purpose of making of this macro radiant diffuser. Those who are new in my channel, they can see my plenty of videos on making process of macro radiant diffuser, mini radiant diffuser on my channel. I'll give the links of my old videos down below in the description so that my new viewers can watch my older videos for making process of macro radiant diffuser in my channel. Today I'll assemble and disassemble this my new technique of macro radiant diffuser for mobile macro photography rig. Let me show you how I do it and show you part by part how to disassemble and assemble this system. First I will have to take off this reflector. This is the reflector part and this is the lens with the diffuser system, round diffuser for this particular lens, and this is the macro rig. You can see this is the rig I have made. This rig can fit any smartphone. Let me open it part by part. This is the mobile holder with the tripod. So you can buy it from any online store. This is about $2 or $3. I made this rig, very small tiny rig with the metal to fit on this mobile holder. So this is the metal rig. So this is the metal rig for this mobile macro photography, and you can see the light inside. LED light, small torch light with lithium battery. So this is the rig for mobile macro photography rig. Now I will fit this camera on the back. Let me switch off this light first. So this is the rig with the camera fitted on this tripod. So this is done. Now I am going to put this lens with the diffuser on my camera. So this is done. Let me check the alignment. So alignment is okay. Let me switch on the light. So this is the light to illuminate the radiant diffuser as well as the subject in front of my lens. But with this system I lose lot of light around this diffuser. So what I have done, I have put a reflector on top of it and with a pair of velcros on both sides. So this is fixed. Oh, sorry. Now it is done. Very simple, very easy, and very simple, very easy to make yourself. Those who are doing macro photography, they understand the use of this radiant diffuser and the benefit of this radiant diffuser. So I don't want to explain again. You can watch some of my older videos on the performance of this macro radiant diffusers for macro photography. In my next two videos, I'll be uploading two separate episodes. First on the making process of this rig. Very simple, easy to make. You can do it yourself at your home without any significant cost. This is very easy. And the second episode, I'll be showing how to make this macro radiant diffuser for your lens. So if you're interested to make yourself one, please watch my next two videos on the making process of macro radiant diffuser for the mobile macro photography system. If you like my techniques,